Imagine you can get rid of all your hairstyling tools, your hair dryer, straightening and curling irons, brushes, all those multi-stylers and attachments, and replace it with a truly one-of-a-kind patented 4-in-1 hairstyling device, the DCS by celebrity stylist Joseph Mourad. He's not kidding when he says you will get salon-worthy results at home. Everyone who uses it absolutely loves it. The dryer curler straightener has bristles or brushes inside to smooth and hold your hair while drying and straightening or curling at the same time. It opens nice and wide to easily do bigger sections of even the thickest hair. The DCS is the only product on the market exactly like this. It has a patent, and while all the big guys have tried to copy it, they can't. The DCS is light and ergonomic, so your arms and hands don't tire out. Your hair is done 50% faster than with all the other tools, and it leaves your hair healthier, shinier, and eliminates the frizz even in humid climates. Joseph guarantees you will love his device with a worry-free 30-day money-back promise. Try it today. It's time to love your hair and reclaim your counter space.